Hello, good morning everyone. Today I just want to share one of the beauty of JLT Lake. When the winter starts, we actually can see the seagull birds from our balcony, and it's one of the attraction in JLT. So from November to February, when there is a winter, lots of seagulls are here and people are here to watch that. So we'll just have a close look of this bird on JLT Lake. So let's go. So we'll just go near to the lake. I just came down from my room. So you can see the seagull birds are here at JLT Lake. I'll just try to go near to them. Everyone are here. They are thinking I'll just feed the food. Yeah, one thing, make sure, I think it's not allowed to feed birds in JLT. I think it's not allowed. You just saw, it's so amazing. You can see the pigeons so closely in JLT Lake. So that was the short video from my side. Bye, see you, take care.